Okay, let's show you the HD75. So basically you have the body of the HD75, which sits behind your ear. And on the back you have two buttons responsible for volume and other features, which we'll talk about later. And on the bottom you have the battery door, where the size 312 battery will insert to power on the device. And at the top you have the flex tubing, which leads to the receiver housing and where the ear tip attaches to that receiver housing nozzle. And this piece goes into your ear canal. And basically the receiver tubing and receiver nozzle allow the sound to exit into your ear canal, so you need to have an ear tip on the receiver nozzle to insert into your ear canal. And that flex tube adjusts for different heights, and the body sits behind your ear.